Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change property types in Notion and hiding and unhiding columns. So let's get started. Step 1. Assess your database. Begin by assessing your Notion database. Identify columns that may need adjustments or a change in data format. Step 2. Changing column property types. Click on the column header you wish to modify. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired property type. Example, Text Today. Note, inconsistent data may be temporarily hidden but can be retrieved. Step 3. Hide and unhide columns. Click the three dots next to the column header. Select Hide to remove the column. To unhide, go to Properties. Toggle the switch off the hidden column. This is an effective way to declutter your workspace. Step 4. Understanding property types. Familiarize yourself with Notion's property types such as text, number, select, multi-select, date, person, files, checkbox, URL, email, and phone. Each type serves as a specific purpose, contributing to a well-organized and sortable database. Step 5. Exploring advanced options. Notion offers advanced options like formula, relation, and roll-up. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.